Hello, this is Jeremy from 3D Infotech, and I will discuss with you how to adjust font sizes for my annotations. In this project, I have a headlight, and I have comparison points all around my headlight. My color scale is pretty easy to read, but the values in my annotations are rather small for me to read. I can navigate to Tools, Options if I'm using 2023 or older. If I'm using PolyWorks 2024 or newer, I can navigate to File, Options. Within my Options window, I can navigate to Display, expand Annotations, and click on Formatting. And there's two fields that I can adjust. The upper value will adjust the font size of the object name, and the lower value will adjust the font size of the content. And that's how I can adjust font sizes in my annotations. Thanks for watching.